Alright, you could say this is day 2 of the 1998 Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the learning vehicle. Floor pan repair, driver's side. So in the interest of, I just want to explore a little bit more of this rust here. So I'm going to take my angle grinder. It's a 4.5 inch angle grinder here. I got an old worn out blade, and I'm just going to turn the power on. You see more where this rust is on day 2. Let me put on some little bit of respirator action here. Yeah, kicking up a lot of dust. 1 second. Got my eyewear on, protection. Alright. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Well, surprisingly, see if I zoom in. Yeah. Well, the rest is not as bad as I initially thought. I think I had measured out. I still may keep the same measurements of 9 by 14, or I might even do this in sections. Sometimes it's easier to just do a large section and just have at it than small sections. But I don't know. I'm just still thinking about it. So I get back here in a number of years and do it all over again, right? Hey, the truck's 25 years old. I know whatever I put in here will be better than what was, right? That's right. Yeah. We'll see. Hey, I'm learning. Aren't we all, right? Alrighty, so a little bit of fussing and all. Anyway, that's it. Pretty much cleaned up. Next I'll come through is with a patch. And just because I got two hands now, if I was to go, everything else is pretty solid. I could probably weld that up. Just throw some DAP in there. Welder in there. We'll see once I get welding, you know, how things burn through. I'm using flex core, so I might be surprised how much I burn through with this thin stuff. I'm using flux core 0.030 wire on a titanium easy flux welder. So where I'm at there, still at 8. Yeah. Still at Still at 8 there. Way up. This is good though. So I just might form a patch. Let's go. Yeah. So I can go with probably 6 there. But I'll be having some weird looking angled patch. So I'll go 6. 6 and still go with 14. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna experiment with some templates and see what we got. Might throw a cardboard template on in my next video. If not, might go straight to metal. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so that's day 2. I just wanted to see what it looked like. I guess you guys might want to see what it looked like cleaned up a little bit better from the first one. Alright. That's well, that's day 2 done.